Hi Anushka, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Did you ever think you'd be a Yash Chopra heroine so early in your life?
Definitely not this early, but of course I wished to be. I think every actor does.
Yeah.
Being a Yash Chopra heroine is somewhat like a brand, it's like a brand, Yash Chopra heroine. So I dreamt of it, but I didn't think it would happen so soon. Like, this is my 6th film, and I'm in a Yash Chopra film, so it's amazing.
And the combo of Yash Chopra and Shah Rukh. I mean, you started out with Shah Rukh Khan. So how different was it? I mean, were you less intimidated this time?
Well, he's not someone who will intimidate you, He's someone who thinks for the team. He's a team player. So he's as concerned about the co-actors acting as he is of his own acting, or like his clothes or anything, He's equally concerned. So I would say that I wasn't intimidated by him even in the first film. I had a great time working with him in the first film. It's just that now, the time between the release of Rab Ne and starting Jab Tak Hai Ja, I think I got to know him better because I met him, many a times in his house when Gauri would invite us for, for a party or something, and I just got to know him more as a person. So I adore him even more now. And it was a great time working with him. He's someone you feel at ease with, on set. It's not like working. It feels like you're just having a picnic, and then great work comes out of it. So it's fun.
Any girl in the industry would love to be in your spot today because you are the only one who's been directed by both Aditya Chopra and Yash Chopra. How does that make you feel?
Very, very special and unique.
Yeah, absolutely. That truly is.
I feel very fortunate to have worked both with Yashji and Adi. They are two prolific filmmakers and have, so much appreciation, so much love, that they have in the audience. And for me to be able to be part of both their films, it's amazing. Apparently, Shah Rukh is the only other actor who's worked with both of them. Yeah. So I'm very happy.
But anything similar in their styles? Anything that reminds, you of Adi while you're working with Yash Chopra ji?
They have their own style of making films. I think the one thing that I can say for sure is that Yash ji does not like to do more than one take. One take, okay. He doesn't like shooting anymore. Adi would always be like, एक safety take कर लेते हैं ना. So Yash ji is like, किसके safety के लिए? So that's the difference. I mean, Yash ji is very like, he just wants one take. He moves really fast. He's got so much he had so much energy to kind of just get on and just keep going ahead and shooting more scenes.
But weren't you nervous during a first take? I mean, he's Yash Chopra directing you, so
I was
what was the first day like?
I was petrified. I was so nervous, and on top of that, we were shooting in a place and we were doing some really serious scenes. So to start off with that, it was just too much for me. I was nervous. I was very nervous. I didn't think I would be so nervous, but yes, I was very nervous.
So did Shah Rukh make you ease because it's home ground for Shah Rukh?
I think I started shooting without Shah Rukh the first. It was just me and. But then what happened is that I felt a strange sense of peace on set, because when you're working with Yash Chopra, not just actors, but even technicians, even the assistants, his assistant directors, everyone on set. They all want to give in their best. Everybody wants to do their best because this is an opportunity for them, to have worked with Yash Chopra. Their names will be attached to the reel of the film. So it's a very special thing for everybody. So there used to be this strange, beautiful peace, calm, and everybody was doing their best, and you could make out. So kind of that calms you down. So I think that helped me get past that day.
The whole industry and everybody's grieving his loss still. So how are you all coping with it? You're giving interviews, doing promotions. I mean, I'm sure it's at the back of your mind all the time.
Well, obviously, we all miss him. We share a special bond with him. It's different. Of course, I was launched by the banner, so I knew Yash ji before I worked with him. But it's when you work with a director that there's a stronger bond that gets created. And I miss him terribly. But if you knew him closely, you'd realize that he was a very positive, happy person. At the age of 80, he had so much energy, so much enthusiasm of a child, and every morning walking on set and seeing that energy in him, that enthusiasm कि मैं अभी पहला shot अब scene shoot करने वाले हैं. I miss that.
You know, we always heard stories about how particular he was about the way his actress looked. So did you also go through that? Till he got the right look and the right clothes, he would never shoot. Was it true?
I just remember one incident, which is actually the cutest incident. When we were in discussion of the look, my look in the film, Akira's look. So because she is a very adventurous girl and she's a bit of a, she's not very girly. So we were thinking whether, you know, we should cut my hair in the film and have shorter hair. So there was a discussion happening between, you know, Avan, who was styling the hair, and Adi and Yashji was there, and me and Manish Malhotra. And we were talking about short hair, and Yashji was quiet through the whole thing. Okay. He got up and he went outside the room, and he comes back, and we guys were, you know, just speaking, and he comes in and he just says, "My vote is long hair," and he walked out. That's all he said. And then all of us were like, whatever discussions we'd had,
it's ended like, there.
Long hair. So I think he likes his women, like, you know, they like very feminine.
Right.
Like I was saying earlier, a Yash Chopra heroine is like a brand, you know,
Absolutely.
because there is a character attached to each of his heroines. His characters are so strong, every female character in his film. So he always shoots them beautifully because he sees them so beautifully. He's a man, he sees beauty everywhere. Yeah. He loves beauty.
The Yash Chopra heroine, like a very biker look, dry riding bikes, wasn't that like a surprise to you?
Yes, actually this character is quite different that way. She's like a anti-Yash Chopra heroine, and let me explain like why. A Yash Chopra heroine is usually characterized by a woman who just believes in love, and there's nothing beyond love for her. You know, it's the most important thing for her to be in love, to have romance in her life, to find that, you know, knight in shining armor. But Akira, my character, is a anti-Yash Chopra heroine because she is someone who's who just doesn't believe in love. She's very cynical about love. You know, she thinks it doesn't exist.
But tell me something. Well, how is it really romancing Shah Rukh on screen? I mean, he is like the king of romance, and like he says, he can even romance a pillow or a pillow.
Yeah, I think it's because Shah Rukh has so much respect for women, you know. I mean, you've met him, you know how he is. He's just so nice to women and so gentle with them.
Courteous,
and so courteous, and he still stands up when a girl walks into the room and all that. And how many people do that? Nobody.
This day and age, really.
Yeah, and I come from an army background, so I've seen my father do that. I've seen my father, like, you know, the army officers, they get up when a woman walks into the room. So I was used to that, and then I grew up and I saw that, you know, that's not a normal thing. But he is like that. So I think because he has so much love and respect for women, he is a romantic hero. Also, I just always judge heroes, you know, I said it earlier, by the way they push the girl's hair back in a scene. You know, usually like it's like a
a romantic moment.
Yeah, you're just pushing the pushing her hair back because, you know, you're caressing her face.
Yeah.
And you should just notice any of his films. He's superb with that, and that's the judgment meter on a hero. How romantic is he?
So in real life also you would judge your man by the way he pushes your hair back? That's very high standards.
I think I need to, in my real life I'd have to judge him on many other criteria also.
Okay, who is your favourite Yash Chopra heroine?
I can't pick. Rekha.
The ethereal beauty that you remember.
For me personally, because I'm such a huge fan, I would say Madhuri Dixit.
Wow.
Just the memory of her with that chiffon dupatta, just going down the mountain, and so stunning.
So did Katrina and you rag Shah Rukh on the sets? You were two girls against one?
You can't rag Shah Rukh. He's too smart and too witty.
Tell us about some of the best memories of this film.
This entire film is a very, very memorable time in my life. I think one would be watching Yashji on set every morning. You know, even when like my car used to pull in, and I saw them standing around the camera, you know, fixing the shot. Just his enthusiasm to take the shot. I think that is something that I'll always remember. I'll remember the times that we all used to sit down, like when we were shooting in Kashmir, the whole unit, like whoever was staying in the hotel, we used to all sit down and we used to have like meals together, and we had a bonfire one day. I'll remember that. I'll remember these funny incidents that used to happen between Yashji and Pam Auntie. He used to always keep teasing her all the time. It was the most beautiful relationship. Just generally, like just, you know, husband, wife, how they it was just too cute. It was like they were a newly wed couple. I'll remember that. And I'll remember each and every person I worked with, because for me, personally, this is the best experience I've had on any film, even more than my first film.
Wow.
So this is the most memorable film for me. This was the best experience I've ever had. I feel like I was at my calmest and my happiest during this film, and I'll remember each and every person that worked on this film.
Wow. Are you nervous about the release, or is just a lot of very emotional about
No, I'm very excited.
Yeah.
I'm very excited, and
Believe you're having a grand premiere too, right?
yes,
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to watching the film, and I'm very excited.
Great, Anushka. Wish you all the best, and thanks so much for being on our show.
Thank you.